In this video, we are going to see how we can make TikTok use less data on Android phone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All you have to do is just swipe up and search for settings. And once we are in settings, we need to head over to the app management section. Here it is. We click on that and check out the complete app list. From here, we will search for TikTok. Next to this TikTok, we have this right arrow sign. Click on that. And from here, we will search for mobile data usage, mobile data and Wi-Fi. Click on that. And it says enable usage of mobile data in the background. So if you want to allow TikTok to use less data, you just disallow that option from here, and that is pretty much all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.